So welcome again. Can you get HIV through oral sex? Getting HIV through oral sex risk is generally low, and I want you to know it is not zero and can be increased by a certain factor. Oral sex is a low risk activity for HIV transmission because the virus is not easily transmitted, especially through saliva or the mucous membranes of the mouth. Do you understand? So relax and let's talk about it. However, transmission is more likely if there are open sores or cuts in the mouth, or if a person has a very high viral load. You understand? So let's talk about a more detailed explanation when we're talking about this. Number one, there is low risk. Oral sex carries a low risk of HIV transmission, but it is not entirely risk free. You get it? And I want you to know there are various factors that can increase that. And some of them include open sores or cut in the mouth, or if either partner has open sores, cut, or bleeding gums, then the risk of transmission is increased. Then, if there is high viral load, when we're talking about viral load, a person with HIV who has a high viral load, meaning there is a lot of virus in their body, those kind of people are likely to transmit the virus regardless of the sexual activity. Or semen or precum in the mouth. Hmm. If semen or precum, that is pre-ejaculatory fluid that usually comes before the actual sex, containing HIV enters into the mouth, there is a higher risk of transmission compared to saliva alone. How can we prevent transmission? Number one thing you want to do is barrier method. Using your condoms or dental dams can significantly reduce the risk of transmission during oral sex. And of course, if someone is on antiretroviral therapy, we call them the ARTs. People with HIV who take antiretroviral therapies and have an undetectable viral load cannot transmit the virus to their sexual partners. Do you get? So you should know that there's something also we call pre-exposure prophylaxis. PrEP is a medication that can be taken by HIV negative individuals to prevent infection. You understand? Then, of course, good oral hygiene. Maintain good oral hygiene. You understand? When you maintain that, it can help prevent cut and sores in the mouth, thereby reducing